Okay, hey, Woodpsyche here. Hope everyone's doing okay out there. I'm just doing a short video on how to make a suet feeder using tree of heaven wood. And the reason why I'm using tree of heaven wood is it's not very desirable wood, and it's perfect for this kind of a project because the birds are going to be pecking the crap out of this, and it doesn't really matter. You just have to replace it a bit more often. And you could drill all the way through, but I chose not to because just to contain the suet a little bit easier instead of pushing it out the other side. It's up to your own preference. Real simple to make. All you need is a couple tools, a drill with spade bits, whatever size you want to use, and a couple rotary tools like die grinder or Dremel just to make the face on top. And you can put some coating on the face to protect it, to make it last longer if you wanted to. Or paint it as well. But anyway, I just wanted to make this video. It's not very long, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. Yeah, I was planning on doing some basics, like face basics, and I didn't get time to do that, but next video I'll be covering that. Hopefully here in the middle of the week when I find time. I've been busy, but I'm gonna start off with the eyes basics, and then the nose, and then the mouth. Maybe we'll do it all in one video, or perhaps I'll spread it out. We'll see. I'll try to maybe perhaps make a push and try to do it in one video, though. I'm not sure at this point, but whatever the case, I'll have something out this week. And it's good to have a refresher sometimes. Sometimes you need to get back to the basics as far as I'm concerned. Matter of fact, we're always learning, and there's always new things to glean or discover. Yeah, this die grinder is perfect for this kind of work. You notice there's a little bit of sawdust on the vents there on the screens on the back of the tool. You always have to blow that stuff out. I'm going to cover some video on that maintenance because I ran into some problems where some of the sawdust got inside to the machine, the motor, and I basically blew it out with some compressed air, and it seemed to work, do the job. And also used a high-powered vacuum cleaner. Sucked out some of the crap inside there without taking the tool apart, because I don't really want to do that unless it's totally necessary. I've had to take apart some Dremel tools in the past because they're just like making funny sounds or something like that. For example, like my Stylo Plus is on its way out. It still works, but it sounds like it's being tortured. It's screaming. I think the bearing's going out. But so anyway, yeah, I'm gonna terminate this voiceover right now. I'm pretty much had all I could say. Just want to put a final note on here. You can buy this suet anywhere at any garden store, hardware store.
Gotta stick it in there.
Usually it's a couple bucks a pack. Then I glued in some perches for the birds to chill out on. Normally I don't do that, but I just thought I'd try something a little different. But anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Talk to you later.